Okay, good afternoon. My name is Simona Palermo. I'm project closer. Is it okay now? Okay. And I work as project manager at Parco Tecnologico Padano, which is a cluster based in Lodi, close to Milan, which is, works in the food and biotech sector. I will try to be really brief. Okay, so the PTP, Parco Tecnologico Padano, is the engine of the Lodi cluster, which is a commercially oriented research network in the biotech and food sector. And of course, the mission of our park is to address regional needs, perform cutting-edge research to support the development of the region, and create startups and spin-offs through our internal incubator. This is a view of our cluster, which comprise universities, of course our internal research center, CERSA, I will speak about it in a while, and other Italian research institutions like the CNR, the Agricultural Research Council, and so on. PTP was funded around 8 years ago by the Lodi province, the Lodi municipality, and the Chamber of Commerce of Lodi, and as in its committee, other institutions like the University of Milan, the province of Milan, Milan municipality, and other institutions. So why in Lodi, why in this area? Of course, because the Po Valley, the Pianura Padana in Italian, is one of the most important agricultural area in Italy, around the Po River, because it's a long tradition also in terms of education, with the Italian oldest, European oldest universities. Of course, a very long tradition in the food and industry sector, and of course as a strong infrastructures network, also because we are based very close to Milan, which is the second, let's say, capital of Italy. And our activities are developed around three main pillars, so research, development, and application. I will try to go very, very fast through these three pillars, starting from the most important one. We are a research-driven cluster, so we have an internal research center, CERSA, where we have around 70 researchers, many Italians, but also many researchers from other countries. And we perform research on genomics and genetic diversity to discover traits for quality and pathogen resistance in crops and livestock, and diagnostic tools for food safety and traceability. So these are the research units of CERSA, both on animal sciences and plant sciences. 3 sections on animal sciences and 2 on plant sciences. And this works in close relation with our technological platforms, genomics, proteomics, bioinformatics, and chemistry. Here I put some of our research projects. On the animal side, we work on more or less all the most important livestock species like cattle, sheep, swine, poultry, fish, and also honeybees. And on the plant side, the species where we mainly work on are rice, peach, grape, and barley. And of course, our major competencies in genomics, so we study mainly disease resistance, genomic traits for diversity and quality. And of course also food safety and quality in terms of traceability, pathogen detection, and origin and authenticity. All these projects, of course, are supported by our bioinformatics unit and statistical units. And I added also some emerging fields, which I heard this morning as well, like functional food and nutraceutics, green energy with biofuels and so on, and molecular farming and animal stem cells in veterinary applications. We are involved in several genome, in the sequences of several genomes, both on the plant and the animal side, so grapes, peach, apple, wheat, and from the animal side, cattle, buffalo, swine, and rice. So these are more basic research projects. Those were most basic research projects. These are more industry-driven studies listed here, but going very fast. About fundings, I give you just a few figures. We have more or less 40 research projects funded by the European Commission and the regional and national organizations. So for a total funding of around 25 million euros. For what concerning the development unit, we have developed and established contact with around 300 Italian firms, large companies and small medium enterprise, trying to collect their needs and then give answers to our service activities. We, as I mentioned, we have also an incubator with startups and spin-off, and we offer them, of course, all our services to make them grow. So here are listed all the companies inside the incubator. We have currently 18 companies, small companies, and some of them are already on their way. Okay, we can skip this. And this is just a last picture to show you that we have a lot of international contact. The green areas are those regions where we have partners in ongoing projects, while we have contacts also, established contacts also in the yellow areas. And now is under development a bio and food park with 36 hectares that will be available in a short time for biotech and other food companies. And that's it. So I put here our contacts, me and my colleague Fabrizio Trigila, who is with me here, and that's it.